Allowing new clients to register via the client portal in PetSitter Plus will streamline your client onboarding and save you time. This video shows the steps taken on desktop. However, the process is exactly the same on a mobile. To start, simply access the menu using the hamburger icon in the top right corner. To begin, log into your PetSitter Plus dashboard. There are two ways of adding clients to PetSitter Plus and giving them access to the client portal. You can either create a client account yourself and send your client a welcome email, which provides them with their unique link to their portal. You can watch our video to see how to do this. Or you can invite clients to register themselves in the portal, which creates their own client account, and they can enter their details without delay. Whichever method you decide to use simply depends on your business processes and which way suits you best. To use the client registration method, firstly, navigate to the Admin tab in the main menu. From the drop-down, select Settings. Then choose Client Portal and click Registration. Here you'll find the option labeled Allow New Client Registration. To permit new clients to register through the client portal, toggle this switch to On. Show Registration Link is switched on by default, so that on the portal login screen, the Register Account option will then be displayed. After enabling the setting, click Update to save your changes. Top tip: it's important to add your terms and conditions which clients must agree to during registration. Please watch our video in the Learning Zone that explains how to do this. To facilitate client registration, you can also add a register button or link on your website, which links directly to your portal registration form. Copy the link in the gray panel and paste it behind a button on your website. Top tip: you may need to refer this to your website designer if you don't edit the website yourself. Next, you can set a limit to how far away your clients can live from your location to use your services to prevent requests from outside your area. If someone tries to register who lives too far away, you will be notified under Home and Registration Exceptions. Here you will be given the chance to review. You can then either reject the client, or you can create account if you decide the client is within an acceptable distance for you. This helps you to reject any spam registrations. Top tip: if you, as our client, runs a national service and the 100-mile limit is unhelpful, then please contact support at PetSitterPlus.com, where we can lift this restriction for you. Next, choose whether the distance should be measured from either where your staff live or where the company is based. Once the client has clicked the Register Account link, they will be asked to complete some basic information. After registering and agreeing to your terms and conditions if you have entered them, they will see the welcome message shown here, which you can edit to personalize the process. The merge codes will auto-populate the message for you. You can use the default message provided, or you can edit the predefined message if you prefer. After they have completed their account setup, they will see this message thanking them for registering and explaining about their portal and the areas you want them to complete. Or you can edit the predefined message if you prefer. Again, the merge codes will auto-populate the message for you. Click Update to save your changes so far. Let's look at what happens when a client clicks the Register button on your website. They will be prompted to enter their email address, name, and create a password. Clients will receive an email containing a 6-digit secure code to verify their email address. After entering the secure code, clients can read your welcome message asking them to complete their registration, where they can agree to your terms and conditions. Then proceed to complete their profile, including personal information and pet details. Top tip: with custom fields, you can define certain fields as required, so clients cannot progress further from that screen until they have completed all the required fields. This ensures you capture all the data you need to provide services for that client. Once they click Update to save, they will see your text after a successful registration message explaining more about the portal and asking them to continue adding details and exploring the portal. Once the new client has registered, a notification will appear on the admin home screen in Pet Sitter Plus. You'll also receive an email notification. A new client account has been automatically created in your database, populated with the information provided during registration. And that's it! You've successfully set up your database to allow new client registrations via the client portal in Pet Sitter Plus. To continue enhancing your experience, be sure to explore our Learning Zone for additional videos on next steps and other topics that might be useful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, check out our help articles linked in the description below, or contact your coach or our support team. Curious about Pet Sitter Plus? If you're not already a client, you can try it free for 30 days. Sign up on our website today and see how we can simplify your business management and streamline your administration tasks. You can find a link to our free trial in the description box below. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can stay up to date with helpful tutorials and top tips to enhance your pet care business.